Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets. And here we go, I've got one of these port windows, one of these marine port windows. So I'm going to install this in my camper van now. So I've only ordered one because just wanted to see how it's going to look inside the van before I install quite a few of them. Obviously a bit dark in it, but I'll get this installed. Try to work out how to actually install this because it's like 1.5 inch away from the actual metal panel. So example here, it's going to stick out quite a far way, so I'm just gonna, I might need a bit of wood around it. I'm just trying to work it out now in my head and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I've got the window cut out. Oh, it's freezing in here, just fired up the log burner. So obviously I'm making a frame around the skirting of the window now, because obviously it's 1.5 inches of gap. Plus I've got these the support beams where I had to cut through, the thin ones. So obviously I'm not going to support here because obviously the screws will go straight through that, so it should be really strong. Just keep you updated on that. The only thing is I've got to make like a ledge now, because obviously this is my plywood on the van. So it'd be better if you had like a plain door to put this window in, but I will design something here. So that's that. Let me get you updated to the window. So got the window in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go down to the DIY shop, get some foam and foam it behind the seals, because obviously these are meant to be for boats. So I'm going to seal it, but the window's in there really strong. It can't come out or anything like that, really strong. So I'm going to put the foam behind it, and I'm going to foam in here, cut it all out nicely, and I'm going to put like a ledge around here, box this all off lovely. So that is the marine window, looking good. I lost one of the screws already. Well, I haven't lost it, it's underneath the fan. And then that's it. It don't stay up, so what I have to do, I have to put like a bit of string just to hold it up when I need a bit of fresh air, or leave like that. It stays like that. It don't move like that, but when you got it higher, it slowly goes down to about, let me show you a view here. Look at that. I can feel air coming through the van. That's what I wanted. Especially when you cook as well, so all the shit comes out the window. Lovely jubbly. So let me show you outside. This is outside, seal it up, and I'm done. Screw back on. It's quite good actually, because it's got like a little suction rubber, and each time you tighten it, like you can see it actually sealing up more. But you don't need it too tight because no air's coming through there. So the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to seal it up outside, so make sure no rain comes into this ledge inside obviously, and I'm going to foam it behind, and that's it. So then I'll finish this off another time, and that's it. Looks pucker. So obviously remember, you have to use a bit of wood around it, hard as nails as well, hard as nails guys, to put it on the panel, let it dry so it's going to be really solid. And that's about it. I do like the window. I've got glue everywhere, look. It's not a bad window. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to buy some of these. You can get circle ones as well. But the circle ones, I've noticed the insulation goes inside when you put it in. You can get it off obviously, but these ones were quite better. I reckon they're quite better, the square ones. So just look at that, there you go. That's my finish off project. So I will do the trimming another time. I just add this in for you guys. The window is tinted as well, so they can't see from the outside. But from the inside you can see everything. You can see, I'll say, I don't know what tint's on there to have a look, but if you like put your hands on it, you can see like the lights and stuff. Obviously you see an image, but obviously if it's dark outside they're not seeing through, so you don't have to put a curtain on this. I will, obviously privacy comes first, but just to throw that in the video as well. And my next video you'll see how I do all my nice trimmings. I'm thinking about installing 7 of these windows. They're quite good as well. I think they're quite really a solid window. The only thing is obviously the outside of the lip as well. There's no window because obviously this opens up. So obviously, you know, you can make a cap for the outside if you wanted to. I don't know. if you wanted to. So just throw that one in for you. Signing out.